Listen and practice.
Stonehenge. The Stonehenge stone circles are in England. People transported the first stones to this place about 5,000 years ago. We don't know a lot about Stonehenge. Who built it? How did they build it? Why did they build it? It's a mystery. People built Stonehenge with blue stones and sarsen stones. There were about 80 blue stones. They came from mountains 250 kilometers away. They are very heavy. Some weigh about 4 metric tons. The biggest sarsen stone weighs about 45 metric tons. That's like 10 elephants. The sarsen stones are even bigger and heavier. About 4,000 years ago, people transported them from 30 kilometers away. How did people use Stonehenge? Maybe they used it as a cemetery or a place for studying the sun and the stars. Maybe it was also a temple. It's still a special place for some people today. Every year, on June 21st, lots of people go to Stonehenge to celebrate the longest day of the year.
Listen and practice.
Every day, people throw away millions of products like toys, cans, and bottles. Most waste goes to landfills, and sometimes people throw waste in other places like rivers. This is bad for our world. It's good to recycle old products. We can use materials from old products to make new things. We can recycle old products like plastic bottles, metal cans, and clothes. At recycling centers, people sort the old products. Then machines use the old products to make recycled materials. We can use these materials to make new products.
Listen and practice.
What are the smallest living things on Earth? The answer is cells. Some of the biggest living things, like whales, people, or trees, are made of millions of tiny cells. Microbes are living things that usually have just one cell. Most cells are too small to see, so how do people know that living things are made of cells? No one knew about cells until microscopes were invented. Microscopes magnify tiny things like cells to make them look bigger so that people can see them.
Listen and practice.
In 1665, a British scientist called Robert Hooke made one of the first microscopes. He used it to look at a thin piece of tree bark called cork. He saw that the cork was made of lots of tiny pieces. These were the cork cells. Today, microscopes can magnify things 1,000,000 times. When Robert Hooke saw the pieces inside the cork, he called them cells because they looked like little rooms called cells.
Listen and practice.
I have to wear a suit and tie to work. After work, I just want to go home and put on jeans and an old sweater. You know, something comfortable.
Listen and practice.
Well, my boss likes to wear designer clothes, so I need to look good too. I usually wear a nice skirt or dressy pants with a silk blouse and a jacket. Oh, and high heels.
Listen and practice.
Well, we don't have to wear uniforms at our school, so I like to wear pants, a t-shirt, and sneakers. So yeah, I'm lucky. My friend has to wear a uniform, and she hates it.
Listen and practice.
Party planning. Hi, Adam. Grandpa's birthday is in 2 weeks. I'd like to plan a big birthday party. I'd like to make it special because he is turning 80 years old. I will be very busy planning. Do you want to help me? We can have the party in the park. We can bring tables and chairs. We can also bring balloons to decorate the party. I'd like to invite 28 guests. I have made a list of their names. 5 people can sit at one table, so we need 6 tables. I will order pizza. One pizza has 10 pieces. Each person can have 2 pieces. That means we need 56 pieces. I will order 6 pizzas. I will buy juice. 1 bottle is 1 liter. Each person probably drinks 250 milliliters. That means 1 bottle for 4 people. So I need to buy 7 bottles. David will get our favorite bakery to bake a special birthday cake. We can cut 1 cake into 8 pieces. How many cakes do you think we need? 4 or 5 cakes? Check out the attachments. These are some of my ideas. Email me back. Rita.
Listen and practice.
Welcome to South America. South America is one of the 7 continents on our planet. It is the 4th largest continent. The Atlantic Ocean is to the east of South America, and the Pacific Ocean is to the west. Most of South America is in the southern hemisphere. Spring and summer are from September to February. Fall and winter are from March to August. The landscape of South America is diverse. Most people know about the Amazon rainforest, but there are also flat grasslands and soft wetlands. There are also many mountains and deserts. The Amazon River is the world's 2nd longest river. It runs through Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, and Ecuador. It is 6,840 kilometers long. The Andes is the longest mountain range in the world. It is located on the west of South America. It stretches from north to south. The highest point is Mount Aconcagua in Argentina. It is 6,962 meters high. The Atacama Desert is the 2nd driest place on the planet. It only gets 1 millimeter of rain each year. It is located in northern Chile.